I have a very cheap phone because of which the camera quality was very bad. As you can see for yourself. Then I downloaded a camera app that greatly improved my phone's camera quality. Let's start the video. First open your Google Chrome. Tap on search bar and search for iOS camera. Now scroll down.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
Open this website, Soft Tonic.
Same way, gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that
Scroll down.
inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
Download camera for iPhone 13.
Disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a
Tap on
taste.
free APK download.
No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we can.
After downloading, install the application.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose.
Now open this camera application.
The pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Tap on Let's Capture.
And why you never said you felt that way. Guess you
Tap on HD camera.
fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.
First turn on the HDR option.
Fade to gray.
After that, go to settings and turn on grid lines. Now increase the brightness a bit. You can also turn on action mode from this app. After doing all these settings, you can capture photos. This will improve the quality of your camera.